everyone, welcome back to our kitchen, Easy Cooking. Today we are making chicken enchilada. The main ingredients we have the cooked chicken. Still need to read this later. Soft tortillas. We have legume, refried beans, ground cumin. We have chili enchilada sauce. We also have sour cream. We only use a little bit in this one. And we're preparing the cheese. We're gonna use a lot of cheese. Okay guys, ito na yung nas-ready natin. Chicken, ground cumin. You just need to put right however you test it. But mine is just right. Lagyan natin ng fried beans. Pwede natin ilagay. This is a one can. Maliit lang yung can. So, pwede natin ilagay ito. Lagyan din natin ng cheese. Marami tayong cheese dito. Shredded cheese. So, cheese. Pag marami yung cheese, masarap. Pero, we just put the enough for the quantity. We can always add some later. Lagyan din natin ng sour cream. It's up to you how you want, how you test it. But mine, I just put that just enough for the enchilada, so that would be enough. So we need to mix that together, so that would be enough. Alright, so i-ready natin yung soft tortilla. This is that. So what we need to do, we need to put some cheese in the bottom, before we put some enchilada. More cheese, much more tastier. Just grab the soft tortilla and we can put some enchilada topping that we made recently. What we do is roll it, roll and roll and roll and arrange that there until this ovenware full. Ovenware is safe. Roll it and arrange. So, and that's our taco pile there. Just need to put some cheese in the top. Cheese in the top. Some more. Enchilada sauce. Usually some are, but this is chili. That's why the color is. Alright guys, this is ready for the oven. 350 and 30 or 40 minutes. Okay, so it's after 40 minutes. Chicken enchilada. Okay guys, luto na yung chicken enchilada natin. I-slice na natin, okay? So, So, ooh, it's actually really soft. Just like that way. Really soft siya kasi marami ang cheese. We're gonna get some slice in this area. Enchiladas. Chicken enchilada.